Welcome to the future of business finance in 2026. Today, we are diving into a topic that remains the number one concern for entrepreneurs and small business owners who are starting from scratch or recovering from financial setbacks. You are likely here because you have been told no by the big banks, or you are worried that a hard inquiry will tank your already fragile credit score. We are going to explore the world of no credit check business cards and how you can get 100% approval even in today's shifting economy. It is important to start with a reality check, because in 2026, the term guaranteed approval has changed its meaning slightly. While traditional banks still look at your personal history, the rise of fintech and decentralized finance has opened doors that were previously locked shut. We have spent dozens of hours researching the latest offerings to bring you a list that actually works for the modern business owner. So grab a coffee and get ready, because this is going to be an exhaustive guide to getting your business the capital it deserves without the stress of a credit pull. To understand why these cards exist, we first need to look at how the financial landscape has evolved. Years ago, your credit score was the only thing that mattered, but now algorithms look at your actual business performance and your real-time cash flow. This is great news for you because it means your past mistakes do not have to define your future success. We will start with our first category, which is the revenue-based cards. These cards are the closest thing to magic in the business world because they do not care about your FICO score at all. Instead, they connect directly to your business bank account through secure open banking protocols that have become the standard in 2026. They look at how much money is coming in and how much is going out every month to determine your limit. This is why we call them no credit check cards, because the application process is based on your current reality and not your past history. Our first top pick for 2026 is the BRICS corporate card for startups. BRICS has been a leader in this space for a long time, but they have recently updated their requirements to be even more inclusive for smaller operations. If you have a professional business structure and some initial funding, you can get approved without a personal guarantee. This means that even if your personal credit is in the 400s, BRICS will only look at your business bank balance to give you a limit. The second card on our list is the Ramp corporate card, which has become a powerhouse in 2026 for its automated expense management. Ramp does not require a credit check and instead focuses on your monthly revenue and your projected growth. They provide incredibly high limits compared to traditional cards because they trust the data over a simple 3-digit score. What makes Ramp special this year is their integrated AI that helps you find ways to save money while you spend, which is a huge bonus for any struggling business. Moving on to the third option, we have the Stripe corporate card, which is specifically designed for businesses that process payments online. If you use Stripe to handle your sales, they already know how much money you make, so they do not need to ask a credit bureau for permission to give you a card. In 2026, Stripe has expanded this program to include brand new businesses that show consistent daily sales volume. It is a truly frictionless experience because the approval is often instantaneous and based entirely on your transaction history. Our fourth entry is the Divi card, which is now part of the Bill ecosystem. Divi offers a unique approach where they give you a small starting limit regardless of your credit score, and then they increase it rapidly as you prove your reliability. This is perfect for the entrepreneur who is looking to build a relationship with a lender without the fear of rejection. Now let us talk about the second major category, which is secured business credit cards. I know some of you might be disappointed to hear the word secured, but in 2026, these cards are the most reliable path to 100% approval. A secured card requires a deposit that acts as your credit limit, which sounds like a debit card, but it is actually much better. These cards report your on-time payments to the business credit bureaus like Dun & Bradstreet and Experian Business. This is how you fix your credit while you run your business. At number 5, we have the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card, which remains a gold standard for those starting over. They allow you to deposit anywhere from $500 to $25,000, and they provide you with a real credit line that looks exactly like an unsecured card to the outside world. At number 6 is the Bank of America Business Secured Card, which offers some of the best rewards in the secured category for 2026. You can earn cash back on your business purchases while you rebuild your profile, which effectively lowers the cost of your debt. The 7th option is the First National Bank of Omaha Business Edition card, which is famous for its high approval rates and its straightforward terms. They have a very user-friendly application process that does not penalize you for having a thin credit file. As we get deeper into our list, we need to look at the specialized fintech solutions that have emerged recently. Number 8 is the Dash Solutions Prepaid Card, which has been a lifesaver for businesses that need to manage multiple employees. While it is technically a prepaid card, it offers all the features of a high-end corporate card, including detailed reporting and integration with accounting software. There is absolutely no credit check for this because you are using your own funds, but the professional appearance of the card is vital for business credibility. Number 9 is the Bento for Business Visa, which offers a similar solution, but with a focus on fraud protection and spending controls. In 2026, Bento has added new features that allow you to earn small amounts of interest on your held funds, which makes it more attractive than a standard checking account. Finally, at number 10, we have the Mercury Corporate Card, which is built for the modern tech-enabled business. Mercury has become a staple in the startup community because they offer a banking and credit suite that works together seamlessly. If you keep a healthy balance in your Mercury business account, they will offer you a credit line with no personal credit check required. This is the ultimate goal for many because it allows you to separate your personal life from your business entirely. As we wrap up this list, it is important to remember that having a card is only half the battle. The way you use these cards in 2026 will determine where your business stands in 2027 and beyond. You must ensure that you are keeping your utilization low and paying your balances in full every single month to maximize the positive impact on your score. Thank you for staying with us through this deep dive into the world of business credit. We know that the road to financial success can be bumpy and full of obstacles, but the tools we discussed today are designed to help you smooth out that path. Remember that even if you start with a secured card or a small revenue-based limit, you are taking the necessary steps to build a legacy. Do not let a number on a screen define your potential as a business owner or an innovator. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and share it with a fellow entrepreneur who might be struggling with their credit. We are here to support you in every step of your journey. So make sure to subscribe for more updates on the financial world of 2026. We will see you in the next video as we continue to explore the best ways to grow your wealth and your business.